All right, we want to take another look. So let's go ahead and do x, 4x plus 7 to the 6th dx, the integral. Now in this case, let's go ahead and make our u equal to 4x plus 7. So du is going to be equal to 4 dx. Now let's go ahead and account for this dx here. So we're looking at a 1/4 du is equal to dx. Now we can see dx is accounted for here, but we still need to account for this x. So we're going to have to manipulate this u equals 4x plus 7 to account for this x. So we go ahead and bring this 7 over here. So you're looking at a u minus 7 is equal to 4x. And now we got to bring x. No, we got to bring 4 over here to go ahead and isolate the x. So we go ahead and say, let's see, u minus 7 all over 4 is equal to x. And this is the same as saying 1/4 times u minus 7 is equal to x. So now everything's in terms of u. You got an x in terms of u. You have our dx in terms of u. And you have 4x plus 7 in terms of u. Now we'll go ahead and substitute. So what does our x equal? Our x here equals 1/4 u minus 7. What does our 4x plus 7 equal? It equals u to the 6th. And what does our dx equal? Our dx equals 1/4 du. And we're integrating. Now we're going to have to do is, let's go ahead and multiply these, this 1/4 times this 1/4, which will give you 1/16 u minus 7 u to the 6th. Let's see, du. I'm going to bring this 1/16 outside the integral symbol. U minus 7. And then u to the 6th du. Now we go ahead and, let's see. We can go ahead and simplify this u minus 7 times this u to the 6th. Let's say 1/16. And you just say that u to the 1 times u to the 6. Remember when you're multiplying, when you're distributing, you have to pretend that a 1 is here and then add it to that 6. So that'll be what? U to the 7th. Minus 7u to the 6th. Now we're ready to integrate. I got 1/16. You're looking at a, let's see, 1/8 u to the 8 minus 1/7 u to the 7th times this 7th. So in this case, well, let's see, 7 times 1/7 u to the 7th. So in this case, you're looking at just a u to the 7th. Right, u to the u to the 7. Right, I had to think about that one for a minute. But yeah, you can see if we take a derivative of this, derivative of u to the 7 is 7u to the 6th. So that makes sense. So now we can go ahead and let's see, distribute this this 1/16. So we're looking at a 1/16 times 1/8 will get you 1 over 128. U to the 8 minus a 1/16 u to the 7th. And now we go ahead and plug our u back in since everything is simplified. So you're looking at a 1 over 128, 4x plus 7 to the 8 minus 1/16, 4x plus 7 to the 8 plus a constant c. And this is it.